Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the MK4 Supra versus R34 Skyline. We'll dive into what makes these legendary Japanese sports cars so special, examining their unique characteristics. Get ready to explore their engines, handling dynamics, and the overall driving feel each car delivers. This comparison will help you understand the distinct advantages of both models. Let's talk power. The MK4 Supra's 2JZ GTE engine is a legendary inline-six, celebrated for its incredible strength and ability to handle massive horsepower. On the other side, the R34 Skyline's RB26 Det, also an inline-six with twin turbos, offers a different but equally thrilling power delivery. Both are engineering marvels, easily modified to achieve over 600 horsepower, making them tuner favorites. When it comes to handling, these cars offer distinct experiences. The MK4 Supra, with its rear-wheel drive setup, provides a pure, engaging feel, often favored for its predictable balance. The R34 Skyline, however, utilizes its sophisticated Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system, offering superior grip and stability, especially in challenging conditions. Your preference will likely depend on your driving style and what you value most in a sports car. Ultimately, both the MK4 Supra and R34 Skyline have cemented their places as automotive legends, commanding respect and high values in the collector's market. Their iconic designs and performance capabilities ensure they remain highly desirable. Choosing between them often comes down to personal preference for driving dynamics and aesthetic. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Whichever you prefer, owning either car is a dream for many enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.